Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a 2008 Ford Escape, and it's having a blower switch issue. And what I mean is, if you're watching this video, I'm sure you have this problem. So we'll go in here real quick. So if you have this control panel configuration and you put your fan motor switch on, it's only going to work on high. So all these other switches are dead, and then high is dead. So basically what it is it's this part right here. It is a motor resistor, and I'll try and do this with one hand. So this is what it looks like. So it's a card, and it has a bunch of transistors that are basically on that board, and you can kind of see the kind of has that like computer configuration. Then that's the resistor. And depending on the selection is going to be what route it takes to that. And this is the connector on top, so your plug basically. And I think it's going to sit in here. And if you're wondering where this goes, it's actually pretty simple. You have your glove compartment here, and on either side of the glove box, you are pushing in with that, and then you push in on this side. And then that glove compartment will drop down. You pull your glove compartment box down by pushing in on either side of these tabs, and the glove box will drop down. And then you go in to your right, and then you'll see this little piece right here. You basically unplug that, and then you have two 8mm bolts, one here and then one in the back. So it's going to be kind of hard to actually do this holding the camera one-handed. So we're going to drop back. I'm going to pause it, and then I'll pull it out, and I'll show you what the old one looks like. Okay, so that is going to be your 8mm. Make sure I got this on loosen. Okay, so that's your other screw. And let's pull this out. So this is your old card, and it looks fine, but I'm sure it's probably burnt or fried somewhere. So that's your old one. Then this is your new one. So just hold them, make sure the screw holes line up on this. I think I got it backwards. There we go. So that is your screw holes. Make sure that they line up. And then what we do is we are going to put this back up into that little slot. Then it sits down like that. And then you're going to have your two screws that you're putting back in. And it looks like my camera keeps sliding down, so I think we get the point here. So we will just tighten that down. All right, so we got the bolts tightened down, so it's time to plug this back in. Let me switch hands here. Basically put it on top, and you'll hear it snap in. So make sure that it's snapped in good. And you can already hear the motor running. So that's your one. That's your 2, 3, and 4. So you can hear how that's working. 3, 2, 1. So that's all fixed, and then the only thing you do is you are pushing your glove box back together, and you're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.